Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Picsart and importing the image you want. Pick a clear subject for best results. Next, use the cutout tool. Choose Auto for quick removal or person when it detects a human. Once selected, zoom in and switch to brush mode to refine edges. Make sure to erase background remnants and restore hair details. After cleaning edges, save the selection as a PNG or keep it layered. This gives you a clean subject to place on any new background. Once you have a clean subject, tap Background or Add Photo to insert your new backdrop. Use a solid color, gradient, or another photo. Place the background layer below your subject, then use the transform handles to scale and position the subject for natural composition. Make sure perspective and horizon match, otherwise, it will look fake. You can lock the background layer to avoid accidental moves, and use align tools or grids to center, or follow the rule of thirds for better balance. To finish, match lighting and color so the subject blends with the new background. Use adjust controls, brightness, contrast, saturation, and temperature to mimic the background's light. Once done, apply subtle filters or add a shadow using brush on a lower layer for realism. Make sure to mask the effect so it affects only the shadow area. Finally, export as JPG or PNG. If edges look harsh, use feather or slight Gaussian blur on the mask to soften and fix visible cutout lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.